In this example, the LC of main scale of vernier calipers is 1 mm. 10 division of vernier scale is equal to the 9 division of main scale. When jaws are touching with each other, 7th division coincide with the 0 of the main scale and 0 lying right side of the 0 of the main scale. Means we have positive error. Now the main scale reading lies between 3.1 cm and 3.2 cm. So we will use the minimum reading 3.1. For that, matching division is 4th one and find out the total length. Here LC of main scale is 1 mm, that is the value of 1 division on main scale is equal to 1 mm. So value of 1 division on vernier scale is, we can calculate using this relation. We have 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. So 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 MSD. That is the value of 1 division on vernier scale. So it is 9 by 10 main scale division. So now we can calculate LC using the formula 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division is 9 by 10 main scale division. Main scale division, 1 main scale division is common. So 1 minus 9 by 10. So 10 minus 9, 1 by 10. So it is 1 main scale division divided by 10. The value of 1 main scale division is 1 mm divided by 10. So it is 0.1 mm. So LC of vernier is 0.1 mm, or in centimeter it is 0.01 centimeter, because our final reading in centimeters, so we have to convert in centimeter. Okay. Now for the calculation of error, error is positive because 0 lies on the right side of a 0 of a main scale. Okay. And how to calculate error? So the formula is matching division multiplied by LC. Matching division is given for, it is 7th division, right? Multiplied by LC is 0.01. So it is 0.07 centimeter. And the nature of the error is positive. So we have to subtract in the final result. Okay. Now our final total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading minus error. Okay, positive error is subtracted. So main scale reading, it is given 3.1 plus vernier scale reading. How to calculate? It is matching division multiplied by LC minus error is 0.07. So it is 3.1 plus matching division is given. 4th division is matching while taking the reading. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 0.01 minus 0.07 as it is. So it is 0.04 and plus 3.1, so 3.14. Okay, our answer minus 0.07. 14 minus 7, so it is 3.07 centimeter. So our answer is C. Option C is the correct answer.